the thing is that when you start like any enterprise, any business, anything that you're doing, like it's self-motivated. There is no one's going to call you and be like, Tim, did you book that course? Did you call that client back? Did you get back to that email? Like, you are doing everything. You are the driving force of everything. So if you are not, like, if it's not giving you joy and satisfaction in doing it, then no, it's not. You're probably not likely to succeed at it or to get it off the ground. Yeah. So you got to follow the dopamine.
Yeah, brilliant.